Hello, my name is Mary Joy Igarta. Today I would like to present my NSTP 16101 course project and answering those questions. I choose set A. Those are those questions that I need to answer. Tell me about yourself. Uh, I am an OFW and living independently. As a single mom working abroad has provided me with valuable opportunities to not only support my loved ones but also to enhance my professional and personal growth with a strong sense of responsibility. I have dedicated myself of excelling in my career while also ensuring the financial stability of my family back home. My experience working in a foreign environment has taught me of adaptability, resilience, and the importance of effective communication across cultural boundaries. I am driven by the desires to create a better future for my family and myself, and I approach every challenges with determination and positive attitude. To my professional achievements, I take pride in the role I play within my family and the support I provide to my loved ones. In my work, I value honesty, respect, and professionalism in all my interaction with my employer and colleagues. I am dedicated, organized, and passionate about continuous learning and staying updated with the place and trend that I work for. My ability to think creatively, adapt to change, and communicate effectively has been instrumental in achieving success to my job and to my project. Next, what is your greatest strength and why? One of my greatest strengths is my ability to communicate effectively. I believe this is a valuable skill because clear communication is essential in building a strong relationship, fostering teamwork, and ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently. By being able to articulate ideas, actively listen to others, and convey informations in concise and understandable manners, I can collaborate effectively with team members, resolve conflict, and deliver results that meet the expectation in every individuals. Why is your greatest weakness and why? What is your greatest weakness and why? One of my greatest weaknesses is my tendency to take on too much responsibility due to my strong sense of commitment to my work and my family. As someone who works abroad as a single and serve for my family, I often find it challenging to strike a balance between meeting the demands of my job and ensuring the well-being of my loved ones back home. This can sometimes lead to overcommitting myself and stretching myself thin to fulfill both roles of effectively. The reason behind these weaknesses stem from my deep-rooted dedication to providing the best support for my family and excelling in my professional endeavors. While this dedication drives me to perform at my best, I acknowledge that it is crucial for me to learn to delegate tasks more effectively and set clear boundaries to prevent burnout. By recognizing this weakness and actively working in improving my delegation skills and time management, I aim to enhance my overall productivity and well-being both work and in my family life. Describe your leadership style. My leadership style can be best described as combination of transformational and servant leadership. As a single mom, I make it as an responsibility to guide and teach my daughter to the right path. As a mom, I be a role model, her guidance, and providing support to her thrive. By demonstrating empathy, intuition, and vision for the future, I can inspire my daughter to reach their goal and become the best version themselves. In work at school, I believe in inspiring and motivating my team members to achieve their full potential while also ensuring that their needs are met. I prioritize open communication, empathy, and collaboration to foster a positive working environment. I am committed to leading the example and providing guidance and support when needed. My goal is to empower those around me to succeed and grow both personally and professionally. I strive to mentor and guide my team members, helping them develop their skill and reach their full potential by empowering individuals to take on challenges and make decisions. I aim to build a strong, sufficient team